Have you ever felt low, numb, or constantly exhausted and couldn't figure out why? People told you to man up, to face life, to stop overthinking. But no matter how hard you tried, something inside still felt broken. What if depression isn't just sadness or a chemical imbalance? What if it's your brain and nervous system stuck in survival mode? Stay with me till the end. This might be the perspective you've been missing. Jim Carrey once said something that hit deeply. Depression is your body saying, F you. I don't want to be this character anymore. I don't want to hold up this avatar that you have created in the world. It's too much for me. And he's not exaggerating. Depression isn't a weakness. It's your body screaming, I can't keep living like this. You weren't born to pretend your way through life, not in a job that suffocates you, not in a relationship that numbs you, not in a life where you were showing off clothes, cars, watches, smiles, and success, while feeling empty on the inside. This isn't about giving up. It's about stopping the act and finally learning who you really are. Pretending to be okay for too long can start to break something inside. And still people say, it's all in your head. But depression doesn't just affect your thoughts. It changes your brain. It changes your body. Let's look inside. When you go through years of pain, failure, or emotional neglect, your nervous system starts preparing for danger 24/7, like a smoke alarm that keeps ringing, even after the fire is long gone. You stop thriving. Your body puts all energy into survival. Sleep gets lighter. Digestion slows down. Muscles stay tense. Like a city during a blackout, just trying to get by on backup power. Your brain physically rewires itself. This isn't a metaphor. Neurons connect differently when exposed to constant stress. It starts building real neural pathways that lead to fear, shutdown, and numbness. Roads that once led to joy get blocked off, and the only highways left are the ones toward survival. The parts of your brain that keep you safe and balanced start changing. The amygdala, your brain's fear detector, becomes hyperactive. The prefrontal cortex, your logic and calm thinking center, weakens. And the hippocampus, seeing which stores memories, shrinks, making it hard to process or learn from what's happening. It's like all your emotional controls get stuck in survival mode. The more this continues, the harder it is for your brain to make serotonin, dopamine, and other happy chemicals. You feel tired, unmotivated, and numb, not because you're weak, but because the factory inside your brain is running on empty. And that's not all. Depression doesn't just stay in your brain and nervous system. It seeps into your body. This is why you feel tired, heavy, or sick, even if no test shows anything wrong. Chronic headaches that feel like pressure building behind your eyes. Your chest feels tight, and sometimes it's hard to even breathe. Sleep doesn't help. You wake from nightmares, more exhausted than before. You try to exercise, but your body gives up faster than it should. Your appetite is a mess. Constant stomach issues or no hunger at all. It's like your brain is underwater, slow, foggy, and unable to think clearly. There's an invisible weight on you. Your body aches without reason. These aren't just thoughts. They're real physical symptoms of depression. But the good thing is, once you start to understand what depression really is, why it began, what it's doing to your mind and body, you realize you're not broken. You're surviving something your system wasn't meant to carry alone. And that means healing is possible. Slowly, gently, on your own terms. If this helped you, or made something click, share even one line in the comments. Your story, a feeling, a thought. You never know who it might comfort. And follow this page for more, because I'll be here.